In this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp call unavailable problem. To get started, swipe down from the top right corner of your device's screen. Next, look for the gear icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Once in Settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Apps. Tap on it to proceed. In the Apps menu, locate the search button at the top right corner. Type in WhatsApp and hit search. From the search results, select the WhatsApp application. Now that you're on the WhatsApp app info page, tap on Permissions. Make sure all necessary permissions are enabled for WhatsApp, especially microphone and contacts permissions. Once you've verified these settings, go back by pressing the back button. Scroll down a bit further in the app info section until you see Storage. Tap on it and then select Clear Cache. Clearing cache can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be affecting your ability to make calls. After clearing the cache, exit out of settings completely. Next up is ensuring that your version of WhatsApp is up to date. Open up the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type WhatsApp again and hit search. If there's an update available for your application, go ahead and click Update to install it. Having the latest version ensures you benefit from recent bug fixes and improvements that could resolve calling issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.